This protest is a continuation of the protest held in Delhi 2 years back. That protest was also led by Honorable CM, and it was joined by all ministers, MPs and MLAs from Kerala. So this is against discrimination pursued by BJP-led government at the center against Kerala. BJP-led government, Modi-led government has drastically reduced grants to Kerala. They have delayed payments to Kerala on various central sector schemes. Further, the union government has drastically cut short Kerala's borrowing limits. According to FRBM Act passed by the Parliament, Kerala is entitled to borrow 3% of its GSDP. But they are not even allowing that 3%. Even the permitted limit is not allowed to Kerala. But at the same time, union government is taking loan to 5.9% of GDP. So this borrowing limit is not applicable to them, but they are imposing that borrowing limit on Kerala, and they are not even allowing us to borrow the permitted amount. So this is against this discrimination. When natural calamity happened, the discrimination was evident. In 2018 floods, union government didn't help us to rehabilitate and reconstruct the state, and they didn't even allow us to accept foreign contributions and aid. At the same time, when PM Modi was CM in Gujarat, he accepted foreign aid after the earthquake. But that right is denied to Kerala. Recently, when in Wayanad landslide happened, BJP government didn't help us or support us. Kerala government was able to rebuild Wayanad mainly through the contributions from the people to Chief Minister's Distress Relief Fund. Now we are going to complete the construction of township by February. So this is going to be a reply to Modi government. Even if you betray us, we will overcome that. So that's a reply people of Kerala would like to give BJP-led government.
The second question regarding Amit Shah yesterday came here in Trivandrum, and he said central government given everything to the state and there is no financial concession made by the central government. So how do you react to that?
This is absolutely wrong and misleading. Amit Shah's statement is completely misleading. I already told you how the union government has discriminated against Kerala. So they have reduced our borrowing limit. They have delayed payments on GST and various other heads. They have delayed payments on various central sector schemes. So this is the approach union government has taken to Kerala.
Last question, Congress is not even supporting this protest. They are saying that it's the eve of election. Why CPM is doing that? And second question, like there is a bridge between CPM and BJP in the center. That's why they are not even supporting this protest.
The understanding is between BJP and MPs of UDF, MPs of Congress. That is why the Congress MPs have never uttered a word in Parliament against the discrimination. In fact, they have colluded with Modi-led government at the center to financially suffocate LDF-led government in Kerala. So both of them were working together to financially suffocate the government of Kerala. And they are again misleading the people. This is not the first time CM is leading a protest. 2 years back, CM led a protest in Delhi, but no Congress MP, it was not on the eve of elections, but no Congress MP participated. But at the same time, Congress MPs from Karnataka and various other states participated. At that time, Aam Aadmi Party Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal participated in the protest. Tamil Nadu government's representative participated. But Congress has never supported our fight against centers discrimination.